So I'm heading over to Woyshnis Garage. We're gonna take the Daytona up to this local car show that they do every Wednesday. It's like a hot rod car show, but the Daytona should fit in there. Take the Ferrari too, nobody ever cares to look at it, but we take it anyways. And then we're gonna take the car out and do some donuts in it, the Daytona that is. We're gonna film it for Woyshnis Garage. Just kind of put a little video together of the process of putting the car back together when it was wrecked. So that's what we're doing. Some behind the scenes. Rob and I have to shut up. Don't want to disrupt Woyshnis' video. Take two. He must have fucked the first take up. We're getting away because we're not mature enough to follow the rules and shut our mouths. So we're filming the handoff of the keys for the Daytona. Got Rob over here. Filming the key handoff. I gotta go stage down the road a little bit. You're good.
What happened?
There we go.
There we go.
You punched the gas into it?
Gave her too much love.
That's the same thing with that thing. Oh my goodness.
Alright, you want to keep some gloves in here?
That's not a bad idea.
You want it?
She's back on there though.
Yeah, just in case.
I just won't give her so much juice. Filming with Woyshnis. There's some behind the scenes. This thing is so damn hot. Gotta have the door open. I'm gonna have a heart attack in here. It is so hot in here.
You're sweating.
Oh my gosh, it's hot.
Hell yeah.
Probably go.
This thing smokes them.
Are they ready though? I feel like we shouldn't hang out after that.
Yeah.
Improvising on the side of the road.
This is not my water. What am I doing?
So hot wiring, what will it do? It'll just keep it going?
We're not hot wiring it. We're gonna bypass the fuse because the fuse keeps blowing and we're worried that the fuse, one of two things is happening. Either something's touching and this could be bad doing this.
Like this whole thing blows up?
Not blows up, but a wire will catch on fire. So, which isn't the end of the world. I've had wires melt before. It gets so hot, it turns orange and then it just breaks.
And then your car dies.
Correct. So that's the best worst case scenario. The best case scenario is it's just sending a little bit too much amperage through the fuse and blowing, and that this will just drive us home. A worst case scenario, the car catches on fire.
I think
What, this way?
Well, we just don't have a way of cutting it. At least we got the donuts out of the way.
Yeah, got everything we needed.
That one, I came pretty close to you.
I know, I was hoping you were gonna stay in it. I was like, oh, he's getting close. I know he's gonna chicken out of this one, but I'm good. And then I was like, yeah, I saw you cut it out. But it's fair from your angle. You don't know what's gonna happen.
Right.
Yeah, I saw you coming. I was like, I need to back up a little bit. And I was like, oh, dude, he's got this. Like, this will be sick if he does it.
Alright.
That just blow it?
Sparking it.
I think we just fixed it. What? Like forever.
Where was it?
This wire right here, there's little arcs all over the top of this metal. This little piece of wire, there's nothing there's no cover on it. Let's go do some more donuts.
I never even connected. Like that one is just like that, you know?
Right.
Because that's not one of my connections.
Right.
So
I believe you.
I would like to, because each one I have that
I
has,
totally believe
has
you.
a cover
The
on
question
it,
is, does everybody else believe you?
What do you say?
He said, I didn't hook this wire up that's got nothing on it. He goes, that wasn't me. I believe you.
Liar.
Shut up, Brandon.
Maybe try a fuse.
It's probably me.
Are there any more fuses?
Yeah, I'll throw a fuse in it.
Says it wasn't him. You're the man. Take it easy.
Good work, Scott.
What?
No hug.
You gave me the. Bye, Brandon. Bye, Brandon. Well, we just got done filming some donuts. That thing is crazy. I'm excited for you guys to see it. Well, by the time you watch this, you will already have seen it. I'm not going to release this video until he's dropped his. But yeah, that thing is crazy. Thanks a lot, guys. Brandon, Isaac, Woyshnis Garage. Well, now I'm going to meet the in-laws for dinner. It's a busy day. Peace.